Hello YouTube, NASCAR fan number 8 here. Today we have something special. Today we're going to be reviewing a Burago, I think that's how you pronounce their name. We're going to be reviewing Burago Formula 1 race cars. These cars are in 1/43rd scale. I got these a few days ago at a Target. They also had some other ones. I think they had a Lewis Hamilton. Someday I'll get Lewis Hamilton just so I can build up this collection. These guys are really cool, and today I'm going to be reviewing them. First, we're going to start off with the Ferrari, the red one. Here's the packaging that it came in. It's Formula Racing, ages 3+. It says on the thing. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but I'll just say it. 1/43rd scale refers to the approximate scale size. Some variations may exist. Alright, well, I think that's how you say it. It's got the Ferrari logo on the side. It's pretty cool. At SF23 Formula Racing. They have 1/18th scale racing and 1/24 scale racing. This is actually a Ferrari official product, which is really cool. Shout out to Ferrari. And here's the car itself. The car is extremely nice. It's built very well. It's incredibly detailed. This is a toy, by the way. This thing is insanely detailed for a toy. It's got a lot of mold lines because this thing is not put together in just one piece. This car is kind of fragile in some areas, so I would recommend being careful. Little fun fact, the tires are actually rubber, which is actually pretty neat, and that's something I really like. There's the head cover for the driver. I don't know who this driver is. Let me look on the bottom. No, I can't find what that's about. But I don't know who this driver is. I think I'm trying to look for his name on the car. I don't think that Richard Melly? I think that's how you pronounce his name. Sorry for any mispronunciation. We got the Pennzoil logo. Ray-Ban, I think that's it. They even got the little stickers in between the spoiler, which is nice. It's this little antenna on the front. Make sure you don't break that off because that's very small. It's a very detailed, nice car. It's very nice. They got the exhaust things there, the things that put the air, whatever. They got the rear view mirrors, which are very nice. They even got more of the exhaust stuff. It's a very nice car. It rolls very well. And next we move on to the Red Bull car, Max Verstappen. It's got the Oracle logo, Red Bull Racing. Let's review the packaging really quick. Basically just the same as the Ferrari, but, you know, it's a little different. There's wait, this is Diego Pierce. Sorry, I got confused. I actually really like this box more, because, it actually gives, like, a nice view of the car. I accidentally put the box thing back the wrong way, so the drivers are right there. You can see Max Verstappen and Diego Pierce in there. It's very nice packaging. Oh, there's Max Verstappen on the side. My mistake. Yeah, this one also has rubber tires. It's basically just the same as the Ferrari car, except it's painted a different color, and it doesn't have that antenna thing on it. It's got the head protector thing. It's very nice. This is a very nice car as well. These cars are made in China. I really like these cars. These cars are extremely nice. And I would absolutely recommend, if you're a Formula 1 fan or just a racing fan in general, and you like collecting these, I would absolutely recommend getting these. And also just Burago products in general, because they make absolutely gold stuff. It's absolutely amazing. Well, that's going to wrap up this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm still trying to figure out comments. And have a great day. Bye-bye.